Hello friends, this is a video on important judgments. In this video, I will discuss with you 25 judgments of Supreme Court. These all are landmark judgment. They are very much important for your prelims examination, especially for last minute revision. So do watch this video, and if you find these videos and other videos on my channel helpful, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. So let's start. First case is in which case the Supreme Court has declared that the access to the internet is a fundamental right protected under Article 19 of the Constitution. So this was recently held by Supreme Court in the case of Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India. This is 2020 judgment. Next case is in which case Supreme Court held that lawyers having minimum 10 years practice alone to be appointed as amicus curiae in death cases. So this was held in the case of Anokhi Lal versus State of Madhya Pradesh. This is 2019 judgment. Next case is in which judgment Supreme Court has paved the way for the terminally ill patient to seek death through the passive euthanasia under a living will. So the case name is Common Cause, a Registered Society versus Union of India 2018. In which case Supreme Court held that free speech cannot be curtailed by fear of mob lynching or mob violence. So the case name is Indebili Creative Private Limited versus Government of West Bengal. This is 2019 judgment. Next case is in which case Supreme Court held that the government need not collect quantifiable data to demonstrate backwardness of public employees belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to provide reservation for them in promotions. So case name is Jarnail Singh versus Lakshmi Narayan Gupta. This is 2018 judgment. Next is what is the name of Sabarimala case, which says a law which discriminates women is unconstitutional. The case name is Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala. Next, in which case Supreme Court held right to privacy is a fundamental right. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy and another versus यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया एंड अदर्स. जो आधार केस है वो भी सेम नाम से है, इसी केस में आधार की बात भी की गई थी. सो इन विच केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट देयर इज नो कंप्लीट बैन ऑन स्टेजिंग dance performance at designated places prescribed in the act. So the case name is Indian Hotel and Restaurant Association versus State of Maharashtra 2019. In which case Supreme Court held that there are no irregularity in purchase of 36 Rafale fighter jets. This is Rafale fighter jets. So the case name is Manohar Lal Sharma versus Narendra Modi. Which case is also known as Hadiya's marriage case. Safin Jahan versus Ashokan KK and others. This is 2018 judgment. Which case is the first case for equal work and equal pay as decided by Supreme Court of India. So Randhir Singh versus Union of India 1982. In which case Supreme Court held that documents that were leaked from Official Secrets Act are admissible in court. The case name is Yashwant Sinha and others versus CBI and others. In which case Supreme Court held that the guiding principle is that no person who was not a scheduled caste or scheduled tribe by birth will be deemed to be member of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe merely because he or she was married to a person belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. So this was held in the case of Meera Kanwaria versus Sunita in 2005. In which case the Supreme Court has designated sexual harassment as human right violation. So in the case of Bishaka versus State of Rajasthan, Supreme Court has designated sexual harassment as human right violation. Case related to doctrine of eclipse, Bhikaji versus State of MP. Freedom of speech and expression is essential for democracy, established in which case? So Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras. In which case Supreme Court held that a husband or father is duty bound to maintain his wife and child unless there are very special reasons. The higher court should not normally stay such an order of grant of maintenance. So this is a very important case, and this was held in the case of Pratima Devi and others versus Anand Prakash in 2019. Next case is, in which case Supreme Court held that NGO substantially financed by government will come under RTI Act. So this was held in the case of Devi College Trust and Management Society versus Director of Public Instructions, in which case for the first time the meaning of the word personal freedom was explained by Supreme Court. So this was explained first in the case of A.K. Gopalan versus Union of India. Next case is constitutional validity of Bhopal gas leak disaster registration and processing of claim act 1985 was challenged in the case of Charan Lal Sahu versus Union of India, in which case the Supreme Court has directed that the government to implement the law against feticide with full determination. So the case name is Chehat versus Union of India, in which case the apex court had held that the practice of handcuffing by police is objectionable. So this was held in the case of Prem Shankar Shukla versus Delhi Administration 1980, in which case Supreme Court held that Chief Justice is a authority under the RTI Act. So this was held in the case of Central Public Information Officer Supreme Court versus Subhas Chandra Agrawal. Which of the following is popularly known as phone tapping suit or phone tapping case? People's Union for Civil Liberty versus Union of India. What is the name of Ayodhya Babri Masjid dispute? So the name of the dispute was M. Siddiqui dead through LR versus Mahant Suresh Das and others. Thanks for watching this video, and अगर आपने इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखा है तो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे केस लॉज मिले होंगे, या तो जिनका आपको पता होगा बट आप जिनका नाम भूल गए होंगे, या ऐसे केस लॉज जिनके बारे में आपको नहीं पता होगा. सो आप इनको इस वीडियो को 2 या 3 बार देखिए, आपको ये केस याद हो जाएंगे. और जो आने वाला एग्ज़ाम है, जैसे कि बिहार जुडिशरी का एग्ज़ाम है, बिहार APO का एग्ज़ाम है, तेलंगाना का एग्ज़ाम है, तेलंगाना जुडिशरी का एग्ज़ाम है, छत्तीसगढ़ जुडिशरी का एग्ज़ाम है. सो देयर आर हाई चांसेस कि उन एग्ज़ाम्स में इस वीडियो से क्वेश्चंस पक्का आएँ. सो डू वॉच द अदर वीडियोज़ ऑल्सो on my channel, and if you find the videos helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.